And we're back to learning Inkscape in the year day 64. Let me show you how you can join nodes. When we activate the nodes tool, it should be the fourth option, join selected nodes. There are a couple of things to keep in mind when you use that. Let me create a simple line using the pen tool. I just left click here on the canvas. Then we have two nodes. I create a second line and we can actually snap to the last node of the first line, but you can see it looks kind of weird. And that's because we have two lines now. So these nodes aren't joined. Let me do it again. So we create the first line. And this time I make sure that I select the line before I reactivate the pen tool. I left click yet again there. And now we have actually joined these two lines. So these two nodes, the end node of the first line and the start node of the second line, they are joined. And that's because I've got it selected up front. If you don't select it up front, you're going to get two lines even though it snaps. So that's a big difference here. Keep in mind what you select before you start using the pen tool again, because if you don't select the previous line, you will get an additional line and it will not be joined automatically. But what if you've got two lines and you would just want to join them? So let me create one here and a second one down there. You can left click drag and then the snapping helps you right there. It's actually going to find the position where these two nodes kind of meet. And by the way, snapping at the top right is this magnet icon. So you can drag that specifically to the point where both nodes are in the same position. But if you just try to use the join right there, it's not going to work. For either of these lines, it's not going to work. What you need to do is you need to select both lines up front. Then activate the nodes tool and then select the node area right here. And if you use join now, you can see this little gap is vanishing. So we've successfully joined the nodes and made out of two lines only one. Once more, I create two lines. Select them both, which is the important step. Then select the node area using the nodes tool. And then use the join function. So this is the way to join the nodes and make two lines one. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.